I'm Richard from the Leather Repair Company. If you're here looking for a leather cleaner, you're in the right place. But not sure what leather you have? If it has a uniform colour, slightly coated feel, you're probably looking at a pigmented leather. If it feels softer, more natural, and you can see subtle variations or marks in the surface, then you're most probably looking at an aniline leather. The leather cleaner is perfect for coated leathers like sofas, car interiors, handbags and jackets, including dining room furniture. If you're unsure, reach out and ask. We're here to help. We have a dedicated team to help you identify your leathers and problems. Now, if the leather is stained rather than dirty, then you will need our ink and stain remover. If it's colour loss, like scuffs, scratches, then you're going to need a colour repair kit. Any questions at all before ordering, or if you're not sure what leather you have, please reach out because we will have a product that is perfectly matched to you and your problem. leatherrepaircompany.com. See you soon.